My motivation in building cars is to achieve a mechanical symphony. I feel like a car is the ultimate art form in all respects.
People like me, people like Rodger, want to take something and go as fast as they can in it and make it work as good as it can.
My goal is just to build the best cars we can.
I don't think I ever saw myself being a fabricator.
I needed someone to kind of be a personal assistant. I don't care if he can weld, that stuff is teachable, but I don't think overall drive and ambition can be taught.
If I'm gonna do something, I wanna do it 100% and do it the right way. I was looking into getting a car and just getting my feet wet into something older.
My shop foreman had a four-door Nova in his backyard, and so Kellen picked it up.
It was just supposed to be a $1,000 car that I was just gonna tinker with every once in a while, but there's no stone left unturned trying to make something good. Having a good set of tires is probably the most important thing. Going up to a nice set of 18-inch wheels with BFG tires so that this thing will hug the road and be a rocket ship out there autocross racing. It's us always looking for a way to make something better.
I would rather get it done and have it be the vision that I want than get it done and stand there, man, and go, I wish I would have done this different. I wish I would have done that different. As soon as you think that everything is just good enough, you're not growing anymore. Got about 1,000 steps in a 100,000 step journey. I hope that some people would look back and be like, I'm a better fabricator or a better mechanic because of Rodger's craziness.
Define craziness?
The drive to make something perfect that can't be perfect. In the beginning, I thought, why would you pick a crew cab Nova? Because it's not the coolest car, until it dawned on me that it wasn't about the car. It's developing this passion to where Kellen and other people want to stay late to see this thing get closer to the end result.
Everybody in the shop, not only are they good at what they do, but they care. They've been burning the midnight oil trying to get this car ready, and they know that I'm gonna do the same thing for them.
You don't need to pay someone to do something. As long as you want to learn how to do it, you feel good about yourself at the end of the day knowing that you built that with your own hands.
Everybody's got to start somewhere, and I love to see young guys that aren't afraid to get their hands dirty.
Everybody's having a good time, but we're not playing around. It's a good environment to get to work on great cars and do things that most people wouldn't normally do.
This ought to get you started.
Oh man. When you actually get it out on the road and know that you touched every single bolt, makes you feel like a kid again. Here at Ironworks, I feel like we have a diverse group of people. It brings people together.
There's probably 40 years down the road where that car will just be a memory of the stepping stone to get him to where he's at. Kellen's the type of guy that I could see at some point handing this business down to. He's constantly striving to get better. He works hard.
If he handed me the keys right now, I'd be scared out of my mind. So I hope to have all the knowledge and be able to pass it on just like he is.